MPI, is a critical metric for competitive exams as it shifts the focus from how much people earn to how people live. It captures the overlapping deprivations that a person faces simultaneously, such as lack of clean water, poor nutrition, or no schooling. As of 2026, the global MPI is increasingly used to track the double burden of poverty and climate change. 1. Origin and development. Concept. Developed in 2010 by the Oxford Poverty and Human Development Initiative, OPHI, and the United Nations Development Programme, UNDP. Methodology. It uses the Alkire-Foster method, which identifies a person as poor, based on the number of deprivations they experience at the same time. Purpose. To complement traditional income-based poverty lines, like the World Bank's $2.15 per day, with a more human-centric view. 2. Global MPI, the 3 dimensions and 10 indicators. For a person to be classified as multidimensionally poor, they must be deprived in at least 1/3, 33.3%, of the weighted indicators. Dimension. Indicator, weight, 1/6 each, deprivation criteria. Health. Nutrition. Any adult, child in the house is undernourished. Child mortality. Any child under 18 has died in the family in the last 5 years. Education. Years of schooling. No member has completed at least 6 years of schooling. School attendance. Any school-aged child is not attending school. Standard of living 6 indicators, 1/18 weight each, cooking fuel, sanitation, drinking water, electricity, housing, and assets. 3. National MPI, India. India has Indianized the global MPI through Niti Aayog, the nodal agency. The national MPI is more granular and includes 12 indicators instead of 10. Additional indicators, maternal health and bank accounts. Success story. Between 2015-16 and 2019-21, approximately 135 million people escaped multidimensional poverty in India. Latest data, 2025-26, India's national MPI headcount ratio has dropped to roughly 11 to 14%, down from 24.8% a decade ago. State performance, best performers, Kerala, Goa, Tamil Nadu. Steepest decline in poverty, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, and Madhya Pradesh, due to a lower starting base and targeted welfare. 4. Key functions and features. Incidence, H, the percentage of people who are poor, head count ratio. Intensity, A, the average percentage of dimensions in which poor people are deprived. MPI value, H, times A, the final score, ranges from 0 to 1. A higher value means higher poverty. Disaggregation. Unlike GDP, MPI can be broken down by region, age group, or caste, helping policymakers target specific deprivation pockets. 5. 2026 Global Trends and Exam Facts. The Climate Overlay. The 2025-2026 Global MPI Report, titled Overlapping Hardships, revealed that nearly 80% of the world's poor live in regions exposed to at least one major climate hazard: heat waves, floods, or droughts. Poverty Center. Nearly 2/3 of the world's poor now live in middle-income countries, like India, Nigeria, and Pakistan, not just low-income ones. Child poverty. Children consistently account for more than half of the world's multidimensionally poor population. Current global rank. India is noted for having the largest number of people moving out of poverty, though it still houses a significant population, approx. 234 million, in various stages of deprivation. Comparison: income poverty versus MPI. Feature: income poverty. Multidimensional poverty, MPI, focus. Money, consumption. Basic needs, capabilities. Policy tool: direct cash transfers. Housing, water, and health schemes. Data source: expenditure surveys. Health and Family Surveys, NFHS,